What is the quality factor of the antenna operating at 650 MHz and having a bandwidth of 10 MHz? A. 65. B. 0.65. C. 15. D. 55. The correct answer is 65. What is the length of the half-wave dipole with bandwidth 20 MHz and quality factor 30? A. 5 m. B. 0.25 m. C. 0.50 m. D. 2.5 m. The correct answer is 0.25 m. What is the bandwidth of the antenna operating at resonant frequency 200 MHz with quality factor 20? A. 10 Hz. B. 5 MHz. C. 10 MHz. D. 0.1 MHz. The correct answer is 10 MHz. What is the radiation resistance of the antenna radiating at 5 kW and having maximum current to A. 2.5 K. B. 2.5 K. C. 0.25 K. D. 2.5. The correct answer is 2.5 K. Quality factor is defined as A. 2 frac energy radiated per cycle total energy stored by antenna. B. 4 frac total energy stored by antenna energy radiated per cycle. C. 4 frac energy radiated per cycle total energy stored by antenna. D. 2 frac total energy stored by antenna energy radiated per cycle. The correct answer is 2 frac total energy stored by antenna energy radiated per cycle. Power radiated by half-wave dipole with maximum current amplitude 10 is A. 3.65 K. B. 3.650. C. 0.365 K. D. 36.50. The correct answer is 3.65 K. Find the radiation resistance of a Hertzian dipole of length 1 m and operating at a frequency 1 MHz. A. 0.08. B. 8.8 m. C. 8.8. D. 0.88. The correct answer is 8.8 m. Relation between quality factor bandwidth and resonant frequency is A. Q frac BW F0. B. Q frac F0 BW. C. Q BW F0. D. Q frac BW F0 BW F0. The correct answer is Q frac F0 BW. In an antenna, the lower frequency limit is determined by pattern gain or impedance. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. Radiation resistance doesn't depend on direction of power radiated but depends on the frequency. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. The radiation resistance dissipates same amount of power as it radiated by the antenna. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true.